Alright, I'm over here at my parents' place. I just thought I would, I brought their dog over to visit for a few, but they're sleeping. So, I don't want to bug them. But I just thought I'd show you guys, getting a lot of questions, like what's going on, have you heard from the neighbors, yada yada yada, about the fire that happened here. So, the one tree's been cut down, the big cedar shrub's gone. There's a lot more burnt fence than I noticed before. My dad pretty much cut down as much wood as he could off the old treehouse there. There's just the four 4x4s that are left, and of course we've got all this lovely black fiery charred crap to deal with. Oh, you like that, Riley? Riley? Oh, hi, buddy. Oh, you need a haircut, buddy. Look at the head on you. Anyways, so yeah, that's what's going on. My dad got a bunch of quotes, you know, from the lumber store to rebuild that treehouse to what it was, and to rebuild the fence, and then he had to get a quote because there are some spots on the roof where hot embers like melted the shingles, and there's the whole south side of the house over there's all got black soot and stuff all over it from the fire, so that's all gonna have to be power washed off and whatnot. So it is going through the insurance, and eventually it will get finalized and dealt with. You know how insurance companies are, right? You gotta wait forever. So anyways, I just thought I'd, you know, answer your guys' questions, well, some of your guys' questions about, you know, what's going on. Oh, Pug needs that. Maybe in 2 years when it's good and dry. But yeah, so hopefully that answers your questions. The insurance company's gonna deal with it, and yeah, the neighbors need to stop making crystal meth in their garage or something. Anyways, you guys have a good one, and choo-choo.